Toyota Aygo. The lever's quite well hidden. It's passenger side, and it's right under here. It's tucked away. I hope you can see. You heard it click. And there you can see there's a finger gap now. So we find the badge, and it's the levers between my middle fingers, and it's attached to the car, not the bonnet itself. So I just push to the center and lift. There's no click. There's the lever there. Let's have a look at that. Let's see how that works. Your fingers are doing that. So it's a very light mechanism, nothing to go wrong. Here's the bonnet support. There. And the water, screen wash. Make sure you put everything back, all the caps and the lids, and then the official way is to drop it from about 9 inches or 20 centimeters. And that, you heard that was a nice positive click there. Okay, so there you are. It's quite straightforward.